If a function has a local maximum at c, then the value of the function at c is greater than or equal to the values of the function near c. If a function has a local minimum at c, then the value of the function at c is less than or equal to the values of the function near c. So those are all the definitions, but what does it mean? Simply put, we're looking for the local max or the local min. We're going to ignore the infinities. We don't care that it's going off up forever or down forever. We want to know the finite numbers. So a local max or min will have a finite number. For a local max, we're looking for the highest point that's not going off to infinity, and for a local min, we're looking for the lowest point that is not going towards negative infinity. So here is our first function, and it's not clearly defined here, but this should be an arrow going off forever, and that should be an arrow going off forever as well. We're looking for the local max and the min. So what's the highest point and the lowest point that's not going off to infinity? Well, I can see that here are my infinities going off forever, but here I can say is my max. So this is the highest point that's not going off to the infinities. So what is this ordered pair? This ordered pair is 0, 2. And there's nothing else. So we have just one local max of 0, 2. Now what about the minimum? Well, we see we have two parts of this graph that actually have a bottom. This point here and this point here. So in this case, this graph will have two minimums. And this point here is -2, -2. And this point here is +2, -2. So this graph has one local max and two local mins. So these are not actually shown to you. They're not actually asking or giving you the points. You have to actually fill them out, figure it out for yourself. But sometimes they might give you a graph with the points given to you because it's hard to approximate something like this that has pi. So again, this graph, again, assuming it goes up forever and this goes down forever. What is its max and what is its min? So again, the highest point that's not going off for infinity is going to be right here. In this case, pi over 2, 1. So pi over 2, 1. Now what is pi over 2? Doesn't really matter, it's some number. It's given to you, we just want to know what the max is. So just go with that. As for the min, it's down here, even though this is going down forever, we need just its finite number. Again, -pi over 2, -1. Again, what is -pi over 2? Doesn't really matter, just some number. But in this case, this graph has only one max and one min. And if that's all there is, then that's all you put down.